Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to short on Charles Schwab. Short selling is a strategy where you aim to profit from a stock's price falling. You essentially borrow shares of a company, sell them at the current market price, and then hope to buy them back later at a lower price. Once you repurchase the shares, you return them to the lender, keeping the difference as your profit. It's a way to capitalize on a bearish market outlook. To short sell on Charles Schwab, you first need an approved margin account, typically requiring at least $2,000 in equity. Be aware of the significant risks involved. Theoretically, losses can be unlimited if the stock price rises indefinitely. You could face a margin call if your account's equity drops below the maintenance requirement, often 30%. Also, you are responsible for any dividends paid on the borrowed shares and may incur borrow fees. Once your margin account is ready, log in to Schwab.com. From the main navigation, click on the Trade tab and then select the All-in-One Trade ticket. Here, you will enter the ticker symbol of the stock you wish to short. In the Action drop-down, choose Sell Short. Next, specify the number of shares you want to sell. Always review your order carefully before submitting it to ensure all details are correct. Managing your short position is crucial. Continuously monitor the stock's price and your account's margin requirements. To close a short position, you'll place a buy to cover order for the exact number of shares you initially borrowed. Charles Schwab offers tools to check a stock's short sale availability and its associated borrow rate. Remember, your broker can force close your position without notice if your account fails to meet margin requirements, potentially leading to losses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.